It's so cute.
Isn't it great?
I'm a little bit nervous though because
Why?
it's so cute. It's so small.
Yeah.
But I have a lot of hair.
Oh,
Like-
don't worry. It's small but mighty. This is
Okay.
1,000 watts. 1,000
Oh.
watts. Yeah. So
Wow.
you're just going to go ahead and, what do you normally do first? Rough dry?
Yep, I just rough dry till it's like 80% dry.
Well, check it out. You'll use it on high,
Okay.
okay, to start
Okay.
for sure. See what you think.
That is crazy.
You got it like almost 95% dry,
Right.
which is great because I want to show you a cool technique.
Okay.
We're going to twist our round brush so we can get a really cool wave.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to take our section, but we're going to twist it with the round brush instead while we're drying, okay? To create a
Okay.
really loose, natural wave.
Ooh.
I'll show you.
Whoa.
You're going to leave that there to cool as you do them all, okay? You want to give it a try?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is pretty quick.
All right, it's set.
Wow. Okay. Wow. This is the hair everyone wants to have.
Yeah, I know, just like that slept in, looks natural.
Yes.
You did great even in the back, girl.
It was very easy.
Love it. I knew, you know what? It's frizz-free, it was fast, it's lightweight, and you can take it on the go.